filter is essential for maintaining proper engine performance on your Can-Am Defender HD11. In this video, we'll walk through how to inspect, clean, and replace the engine, CVT, and cabin air filters. Before starting, park the vehicle on a level surface and ensure the engine is completely shut off. This procedure requires rags, safety glasses, and a replacement air filter if needed. To access the engine air filter, tilt the cargo box. Remove the retaining pin and secure the gas strut to hold the box safely in position. After removing the retaining pin, place the gas strut out of the way and let the box fully tilt back. Unlatch the air filter cover and carefully remove the filter, avoiding contact with the housing to prevent debris from entering the intake. Inspect the filter for dust streaks on the clean side, which may indicate an air leak. If any leaks are found, correct the issue before installing a new filter. Check the filter element for damage or heavy contamination. If it's reusable and moderately dirty, gently tap out loose debris. Do not use compressed air, as it can damage the paper element. Replace the filter if it remains excessively dirty or damaged. Before reinstalling, clean the housing and sealing surfaces with a damp cloth. Reinstall the filter, ensuring it is properly seated, and secure the cover with all latches fully clipped into position. If operating in wooded or dusty environments, inspect the CVT frog skins on both sides of the vehicle. Ensure they are clean, intact, and properly secured. Next, inspect the CVT air filter. Remove it, evaluate its condition, and clean or replace it as required. When complete, lower and secure the cargo box. To access the cabin air filter, open the hood and remove the filter. Inspect for dust and debris. Clean if reusable and in good condition, or replace if necessary. Reinstall the filter and close the hood securely. This completes the air filter inspection and replacement procedure for your Can-Am Defender HD11. Regular maintenance helps protect critical components and ensures reliable performance in demanding conditions. Always refer to your operator's guide for service intervals and specifications.